Django error on migration. There is no unique constraint matching given keys for reference table. So I have seen that a lot of these kinds of questions have popped up, few answered, and none in a Django aspect that I saw. I am confused why I am getting the error. I am guessing I am missing something on my field decorator or whatnot in my model definition. Here are the two models. One abbreviated. I thought I did everything right with unique and primary key set to true in the one table that the foreign key gives reference to, but upon migrate I get this error. Django.db.utils.programming error column. There is no unique constraint matching given keys for reference table swipe underscores only entity. Edit updated the code.
To solve this, needed to add the unique constraint on the postgis table ID myself. Like this answer.
This problem appears most times because you copied or created your database from a dump and somewhere the unique constraint on your primary key column, as well as other constraints got lost. Solution.
Code joy. When you define a primary key, it is automatically set as unique. So just go by. This will automatically bind the PK of zone entity with zone underscore ID. If the field you are trying to make the relation is not the primary key, then you can add unique equals true and to underscore field equals foo.
I too had same issue while migrating DB from SQLite to PostgreSQL 14.4, even when reference foreign key had primary underscore key equals true set. Deleting the old migrations solved my issue.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.